What's up, amigos? Lovely seeing all of you. Hope you all are having great weekend. Today I have some surprises in my channel, but for a surprise, you need to wait till the last second of this video. Please watch the entire video. Yes, Ajaz Patel has created a record. How great! Like 8 years you live Mumbai and a Mumbai boy you are. You just taken phenomenal. What a return! It's always a pride whenever you go to your hometown or home place with such a great thing. Not only for Ajaz Patel, for many people out there who are trying to get something, who have left their hometowns and went to far places and abroad to do something, and wish all of you great things happen in your life. And Ajaz Patel, congrats one and all again for you. That's awesome. Here we go. Welcome, boy. Welcome. India in a commendable position. Agarwal has been superb after 150 scoring, and New Zealand 60 all out. They have to see it because you can't blame the pitch now. Many times what happens is if you play in India, they get a spin track. It is not able to play, and curators are making some things. BCCI will always make sprint tracks. This is all not valuable now because it's the ICC Test Championship, and BCCI has not done anything. Even Kanpur wicket was awesome. Now New Zealand's technique is the problem here, because without Kane Williamson, team has lost the balance completely. I don't know what they are picking. You don't have Santner, you don't have Neil Wagner. Only after so much also Ajaz Patel has contributed like a machine itself. How much pain he has gone through, I can't explain this. Even if you are a spinner, it takes a lot of pain and a lot of muscle will catch at the end of the day. But he has been absolutely superb, and he has also joined the list of Anil Kumble and one more great English player. So happy to see that Indian bowlers, Mohammad Siraj was superb. Thanks to Bharat Arun, thanks to RCB, thanks to VVS Lakshman, SRH, and all the great people who have supported Siraj always and backed him. Today he is a super player because of only Virat Kohli, Bharat Arun, VVS Lakshman, Hyderabad, the Cricket Association, and all the boards, whoever has helped him. It was awesome, the ball to Ross Taylor, and how he dismissed Will Young and Latham. This is superb. Then Ashwin, then Akshar Patel. Everyone contribution. That is important for a team to win. Hope India actually wins it this time, the World Test Championship. And it was great to see that Virat Kohli, Mohammad Siraj and Dravid going through New Zealand dressing room and wishing Ajaz Patel for his achievement. This is awesome. Even Ravichandran Ashwin clapped for him. See, these moments are great because you need to appreciate these things. And that's what I have for you. Now, Pujara opening and Pujara looking a bit confident. This is what is great. And that is a level of competition and performance this World Cup or which Test Championship demands. So Pujara playing his natural game, playing with a free mind. I don't know what Shubman Gill should do now, because they have promoted Pujara for a good form, but where should he go? I guess this will be a test for him. So as I said, we'll be meeting again and again for further updates, and I will be updating you. In the starting I told I'll show some surprise. I have won some gifts. Here I'll be showing you the first gift, won by Delhi Capitals. They have given me, and Akko Insurance contest I had won this. I will show you. 1 second. So this is the jersey whatever I have won. This has a lovely glance, and this is original provided by Echo, and all this is original. It is not a fake thing or duplicate, and entire thing is there for you. I'll be showing you the jersey. I have just unpacked it. Please see it. It's an original, that's why you are having drawn and all the merchandise stamps in it. There is no duplicate or anything. The cloth looks stunning. It is also beautiful. even the back side of it. Yeah, logo again here of the Delhi Capitals. Hope you really enjoyed this jersey. And also I have one Indian team jersey by the competition held by Boss Baby. Thank you so much, Boss Baby, for this wonderful gift. Indian jersey of World Cup jersey along with your name. You can participate and also win it a giveaway. I'll be just releasing you 1 second. So here we go. Beautiful Indian jersey provided, gifted by Hriday, Boss Baby, the World Cup edition. You can also personalize with your name. It's just stunning to have my name like this. Unbelievable gift and thankful to him always. I'm lost of words. The way they printed the name and all, just beautiful. So these are all I have today. So let's catch up soon, and just always remember, for good updates you have this channel. Please subscribe, share, and keep commenting and keep liking. Thank you so much. Happy weekend. Stay safe. Stay happy.